Good morning, students. Today we will study how to add sound in a Scratch project. Okay, you will find all the blocks related to sound in the sound block menu. Okay, now if you have opened your book and if you see figure 6.10 adding sound in a project, we will follow this particular pattern. Okay, we will follow this particular blocks and then we will see what happens. Okay, now if you see in the book, the first block that they have used is repeat block. Now where will you find this repeat block? You will find this repeat block in the control box. Okay, in this control block you will find this repeat block. Can you see this repeat? Yes. Now what you will do, you will simply drag it. Okay, now the next is move 25 steps. Now this is move is related to the motion block, so you will open motion block and from here you will take this particular thing, move 10 steps, and you will add it over here. And now here you can change the steps, move 25 steps. Next is next costume. Now where will you find this next costume? You will find this next costume in looks. Okay, yeah, in the looks you will find this next costume. So simply drag this next costume. Now after this you have change color effect by 25. Okay, here it is, change color effect by 25. So drag it and leave it in the script. Next is turn 15 degrees clockwise. So again go to the motion, turn 15 degrees clockwise. Next is say hello friends. So say hello friends, here it is, say hello. Now you can write anything, say hello it is saying, so you can write hi friends, exclamation mark. Alright, next is play sound meow. Now this sound you will find in the sound block, play sound meow, or if you want you can change the sound from here as well. It is only saying meow or records. If you have something recorded voice you can add it, or just let it be meow. Then wait for 1 second. Okay, now wait for 1 second you will find in the control. Okay, wait for 1 second. Then next is play drum 52 for 10 beats. Again go to the sound, play drum. Okay, for now you can hear here it is only showing you can choose anything. Okay, from here it is not showing the 52 which is given in the book in my. Okay, so from here, and for how many seconds it is they have shown, for how many beats, 10 beats. So put it 10 beats and then it's end. Now let's see what will happen. I hope you can hear this voice. Listen to it very carefully. You can see it is changing the color effect. Okay, it is rotating clockwise 15 degrees, 25 steps, and every time it is changing the next costume also, means the color it is getting changed. And hi friends, sound is meow. Alright, so this is how you can add the sound block. Now first is given in the book, if you see on page number 77, it is given play sound meow until done. What is this block? Play sound meow until done. Now what is this? This block will play the specified sound in the blank box. Okay, in the blank box whatever is the specified sound, it will play that. the script will pause until the sound has finished playing. Okay, and the script will be paused for that period of time till the time that sound is not finished. Once it is finished, then the script will move on. Next one is play drum for dash beats. This block plays a drum sound for a specified number of beats. Like here I have chosen the 11 and for 10 beats. Okay, you can change the drum type by clicking on the drop down arrow. Here this is next to the number and also the number of beats by changing the value. You can change the value also of the drum beats also and also the drum type. Okay, so this is all about the sound block. Next, in my next class, we will study about how to save a Scratch project and also how to open a saved project. Now, in the meantime, students, you can practice the lab sessions which is given on page number 82 and 83 in your book. Okay, so practice it so that you'll be more and more comfortable with this particular chapter. Thank you.